Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk with you about the best deals going on over at Walgreens. I'll walk you through the deals I did. I'll include pictures of clearance at the end of the video, and I'm going to tell you about deals I didn't do that might be of interest to you, so I'll talk about those as well. Hope y'all have had a great week. Just a quick update. I mentioned that my son had auditioned for an opera last week, and so many of you were so sweet. I wanted to give you an update. So that was a recorded audition, and they have now asked him to come in for an in-person audition, so that will be in the middle of August. So I will keep you posted on the results of that. So this week, lots of good deals, but before I tell you about that, I want to tell you about next week. Holy cow, I'm going to pop up a visual for you. There are some amazing deals coming next week, July 23rd through the 29th. There's like a new promo every day. So get excited about that. I have no idea how many videos I will do next week, but you better believe I will be Walgreens shopping and sharing with you as much as possible. Secondly, if you follow me on Instagram, I'm at Save with Christina. I have a giveaway going on right now. If you want to check that out, hop on over to Instagram. So this week in the booster, in the coupon section, I saw a booster for spend 40, get $20 in Walgreens cash. 50% savings right there. That booster showed up a little bit later this week. I want to say it popped up on Friday. But I also had a paper booster in my little coupon envelope for spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens cash. So if you're wondering, can I combine a digital booster with a paper booster? Yes. And if it's spend 40, you only have to spend the 40 to get both the digital and the paper. They don't like add to 80 to get both. You just have to spend 40. You'll get the 20 from the digital booster, and mine was 9 for spending 40 on the paper, so 9 for that. So I have a scenario for that I'm going to share with you guys. But I got all of this stuff for free and made $5 buying it all. I'm going to call that a pretty awesome week. Let's start with Dove. So the Dove deodorant, they are buy one, get one 50% off, but there is a high value digital coupon, $7.50 off. So these were the cheapest ones I could find. Buying 2 of them is $8.23. Minus that $7.50 digital, you'll pay 73 cents for both of them, or just 36 cents each. Now, if you are doing this curbside, there is a code you can use. The code is SORRY15. That's going to take 15% off your purchase, making it even cheaper. Now, the majority of these items I did in store because of that paper booster. Obviously, you can't use a paper booster online. You have to be in store for that one. But here is another deal you can do. The Kotex, I mentioned this last week. They're 2 for $9. There's a $2 digital coupon, making them $7. There's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, dropping it down to $5. Shopkick also has a rebate for $4 back, making it $1 for both, or just 50 cents each. Now, I know a lot of you use Ibotta. If not, I do have a full tutorial on that one. If you're brand new to Ibotta, use my referral code because you'll score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. Same thing with Shopkick. If you use the code SWC5 with Shopkick, you're going to score an additional $5 when you scan that first receipt. So awesome deal if you're brand new to either of those apps. Now, the other Dove deal going on, you can do this for soap, you can do it for men's body wash, you can do it for women's body wash, whichever floats your boat. These are $7 each, so that's $14. Look in your coupons, there is a $7 digital. Now, I will tell you, it took me forever to find this coupon. I sorted by personal care. That's how I found it the fastest. So you'll pay $7, then get a $4 register reward back, making it $3 for both, or $1.50 each. I did do this in store. The $4 register reward did print with no issues. Now, the Scott toilet paper, I actually really like this toilet paper, and I pick it up when there is a manufacturer coupon as well as a Walgreens store coupon. These are $5. There is a $1 manufacturer coupon. There's a $1.25 store digital. So that $1.25 will come off of each one you purchase, making it $2.75 for a pack of the Scott toilet paper. Now, the Nice brand or the Walgreens brand toilet paper for a 4 count is on sale this week just for $1.99. So if you like that one, that's $1.99. But you could use that code SORRY15 to score an additional 15% off. That should work on that product. Now, the Tide products are 4 for $9 this week. That's Tide Simply Pods, the Bounce or the Small Unstoppables, $2.25 each. I didn't have additional coupons, but I also didn't check my PG Good Everyday Rewards site for coupons. So check there and see if there's any coupons for those products. If you're doing it in store, you could print those. Now, the Lysol Sanitizer. I did this in store because it was part of my spend deal. It was $7.29 in store. It was cheaper online. So if you're doing it online, it's going to be a little bit cheaper and your in-store price can vary. So how that works, just quickly, if it is on sale, it's on sale across the nation. If it's a promo, like a Register Reward or Walgreens Cash, or there's just a good digital coupon, the price in store from where I live to where you live could be completely different. I can only tell you what I see. So the online price, I believe, was $6.49. I'll pop it up on the screen. My in-store price was $7.29 minus the $2 digital. I paid $5.29. I got $2.50 back on Ibotta, making it $2.79 for the Lysol Sanitizer. What am I forgetting? Oh, the Delamex. So these are, again, cheaper online. I think it was $4.79 online. Again, I'll pop it up here on the screen. My store had them at $5.29. They're buy one, get one half off. So $5.29 plus $2.64 is $7.93. I get $1.50 back on each of them from Ibotta, so $3 back total, making it $4.93 for both or $2.46 per box. Now, here's the fun part where I put it all together. This is what I bought in store using the spend 40, get $20 in Walgreens Cash, pairing it with a paper booster, spend 40, get $9 in Walgreens Cash. I bought the Lysol, I bought the 4 Tide, I bought these 2 Dove, the Scott, and the Delamex. So basically everything except these guys. Okay, so this is what I bought for that spend 40 deal. Before coupons, that was $43.22. After coupons, it was $31.97. I got back $20 for spending 40, $9 for spending 40. I got back the $4 register reward for the Dove, the $3 on Ibotta for the Delamex, the $2.50 on Ibotta for the Lysol, making it all free and a $6.53 moneymaker. Just make sure if you're doing that spend 40 deal, you are at $40 after the Walgreens store coupons come off. So that $1.25, I had to be at $40 after that $1.25 store coupon came off. Clearly, I can be much lower than the 40 after manufacturer coupons come off and I'm still okay. Now, quickly, let's talk about the other deals I did not do. The the Walgreens brand bags, like sandwich bags, freezer bags, they're buy one, get 2 free, making them 93 cents each. The Crayola colored pencils are on sale for 99 cents. The Gain Squeeze, I wanted these, but my store didn't have them. They're $1.99 each. There is a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $2.98, get back a $1 register reward. That makes them just 99 cents each. There's this Bounce Rapid spray product that's $4.79, getting back $2.85 on Ibotta. Total price $1.94. That one was more expensive in store, so just a heads up on that. The Azo urinary product was $11.99. $5 digital makes it $6.99, getting back $4 on Ibotta. $2.99 total. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting really close to that big bonus on Ibotta, so I wanted to mention a number of Ibotta deals for you guys. Now, questions about any of this, drop them down in the comments below. If you're finding other deals, please share them with other people in the comments below. I love it when you guys help each other. Other things I did, of course, I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards where I got some points back there as well. I'm also going to submit to the PG Good Everyday program. I haven't done it yet because I do the video first for the Procter & Gamble products that I purchased. I think that's it. So stay tuned for the end of the video. I'll put additional pictures of deals as well as the clearance stuff that I found while I was in store. Thanks.